welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do so. Yeah, so our Ottoman is pretty nasty right now. My partner bought it at the beginning of this year. I have cleaned it once during the summertime. I cleaned it once. I'm going to be cleaning it again today. It's dirty. I just wanted to show you guys some of the tricks on how to clean it, because I thought I couldn't clean it, but I came across a video on YouTube that showed how to clean it, and it worked the first time I did clean it. It was awesome. So I'm going to clean it again today. So I'm going to show you guys what I'll be using. So because normally I'm supposed to use what is this called, laundry stain remover. I just realized mine is done. There's a little bit left in there, but it's over. So I put some water and laundry detergent in this one. That's what I'll be using. I have 3 towels in here. I'll use them to get the dirt out of the Ottoman. So here you go. So I have those 3. I just bought these from Dollar Tree. And then I have sparkling water. The sparkling water helps to get all the soap out of the, like to get all of it out of your whatever you're going to be cleaning. So stay tuned and we're going to get into the video. So you go ahead and start spraying. Normally you'll spray your water first and then you spray either OxyClean or laundry stain remover, what I use, but mine is mixed, so I'm spraying both. Now I'm going to be cleaning all around the Ottoman using the white towels. White towels will show how much dirt is coming out of it. So yeah, I'm spraying all over the Ottoman. I forgot to spray at the back over there, so I'm spraying more on there. And then I'm spraying more. Don't be like me, buy a nice spray bottle. The mouth on my spray bottle was very thin. I recycled this. It was I think something was in there. I just kind of recycled it, yeah. And there was a little bit of the stain remover. So I sprayed more on it, and then I kept on cleaning with the white towels. As you can see, I'm just scrubbing and scrubbing, getting all the dirt out of it. You can see how it's getting clean, right? Have a closer look. I think I've been cleaning it a lot, like after the water, after like I did lots of rounds cleaning and cleaning, so yeah, but it's not done yet. Baby was hungry, so breastfeeding break. Okay, breastfeeding break is over. Now look at all the dirt that we got. I don't know if you can see. All of this came out of that Ottoman. You see? All of this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to empty this, and I'll put the sparkling water in here, and I'll apply it on the Ottoman, and then I'm starting with water. I put water here first. I'll put the water, clean it, and then put the sparkling water. A clean towel and start cleaning again. The first getting less. Okay. Now I'm gonna exchange. This is water. I'm gonna throw it away, and then I'll put the sparkling water. The sparkling water, as I said earlier, will help get rid of all the soap. It's hard work. These kids don't know this. They just keep on messing everywhere. Okay. I have my sparkling water. Let's get back here. Okay, I cleaned before with this part, so this part let's sit with it. So that's how it is actually compared to those ones. Okay, where's that one? Okay, I cleaned before with this part, so this part is ready. I'll use the clean part thing. And then well, let's sit for a little bit. Yeah, so I'm waiting for it to dry. I'll take a picture when it's all dry, and then you guys will see. This is done. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, to leave your comments if this is something that you like. Let me know. Give us a thumbs up, like my son Josiah would say. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, love always wins. Bye. Take care.